Install the accessory holder.
premiumbeat.com. premiumbeat.com.
Install the filter. Remove the protective hose from the handle socket on the main unit. Install the connection cord of the chin vacuum and cooling handle. Install the connection cord of the body vacuum and cooling handles. There are 2 handles of different sizes. You may choose from them according to the recipient's condition. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. There are inlet, overflow, and outlet on the back of the main unit. Fill the instrument with water before switching it on. Pure water or distilled water are both available. Filling water, remove the nut and rubber plug from the overflow. Attach the funnel to the inlet until the snap on the inlet is popped up. Pour water through the funnel until it starts flowing out from the overflow.
premiumbeat.com.
Press the snap on the inlet and remove the tube of funnel. Caution: the funnel cannot be removed without pressing the snap. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument.
premiumbeat.com.
Press the switch on the front of the main unit. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 30 minutes.
premiumbeat.
Recommended temperature, 4 degrees Celsius. Suction intensity, set according to the individual's tolerance. Note: the applicators can be operated independently or simultaneously. The application of anti-freezing membrane on the treated area, abdomen, leg, and chin, is necessary. Apply the treatment head on the skin through the anti-freezing membrane to avoid frostbite.
premiumbeat.
Tap the main on-off button first, and then tap the on-off button of required applicator to start the operation. Apply the applicator to the treated area, abdomen, leg, and chin, with the anti-freezing membrane in place. Water drainage. Attach the funnel to the outlet on the main unit until the snap on the outlet pops up. Turn the funnel upside down to drain the water from the tank. Once the tank is drained, press the snap on the outlet and remove the funnel.